How to fix bad sound quality on Windows PC. Here are a few settings that can help fix it. Start by opening the control panel from the Start menu. In the top right corner, change View By to Large Icons. Then click on Sound. Under the Playback tab, make sure the correct output device, such as your speakers or headphones, is set as the default device. If you have devices you don't use, you can right-click them and choose Disable to avoid conflicts. Next, right-click your active playback device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab and make sure the volume is set appropriately. Then go to the Advanced tab. Try different default format options, such as 16-bit or 24-bit, to see which provides better audio quality on your device. If you see the Enable Audio Enhancements option, try turning it off. Then click Apply and then OK. On some systems, disabling audio enhancements can noticeably improve sound quality. If the issue continues, open Device Manager on your Windows PC and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, choose Update Driver, then select Browse My Computer for drivers, followed by Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If high-definition audio device is available, select it and complete the installation. If you don't see it, uncheck Show Compatible Hardware first, then look for High-Definition Audio Device under Microsoft. After installing the driver, restart your computer and test your audio again. In many cases, this resolves poor sound quality issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.